Discover the best table saws for precision cutting, durability, and safety. Perfect for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals, these saws deliver powerful performance for a variety of projects from DIY builds to advanced carpentry. Starting at number 1, DEWALT WE7491RS Table Saw. A powerful and portable job site table saw featuring a 15-amp motor with 4,800 RPM for smooth, precise cuts, and a large 32.5 rip capacity to handle wide boards and sheet materials with ease. It includes a rack and pinion telescoping fence system for fast fence adjustments, a sturdy foldable rolling stand for easy transport and setup, and onboard storage for accessories, making it ideal for both professional contractors and serious DIY woodworkers. Number 2. SKIL TS6307 Jobsite Table Saw. A versatile and portable job site table saw powered by a 15-amp motor and a 10-inch carbide blade designed for accurate rip and cross cuts on wood. It features rack and pinion fence rails for smooth, precise adjustments, an integrated folding stand for easy setup and transport, and a 4x4 cutting capacity for handling common lumber sizes. Plus bevel cutting from 0 degrees to 45 degrees and a dust port elbow to help keep your workspace cleaner. Number 3. SAWSTOP 10-inch Cabinet Saw. A premium professional cabinet saw built for precision, power, and safety, featuring a 3 HP motor and a heavy-duty 36's professional T-Glide fence system for smooth, accurate cuts. It includes SAWSTOP's patented safety system, which stops and retracts the blade on contact with skin in milliseconds, vastly reducing the severity of potential injuries. Plus excellent dust collection and unmatched fit and finish for serious woodworkers. Number 4. Rockwell RK7323 BladeRunner X2 Saw. A compact and versatile portable tabletop saw ideal for DIY and light workshop projects, powered by a 5.5 amp motor that delivers around 3,000 strokes per minute for cutting wood, plastic, PVC, metal, and tile. It includes a steel rip fence and miter gauge for straight and angled cuts, 7 accessories, including multiple blades, a safety switch, onboard storage, and a vacuum port, all designed for easy setup, transport, and a range of cutting tasks. Number 5. BOSCH GTS 1510 Job Site Table. A 15-amp, 10-inch job site table saw designed for powerful rip cutting and cross cutting with a 32/1/8 in rip capacity and smooth performance thanks to its electronically regulated speed and soft start circuitry. It includes a gravity rise wheeled stand for quick setup and mobility, a rack and pinion rip fence for precise adjustments, and Bosch's Smart Guard system with riving knife and anti-kickback features to help keep cuts accurate and safer on any work site.